Hello traders, welcome to today's daily review with Quality FX Trading. I'm here to analyze the pound dollar for today, September 6th. Before I start, I want you to make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel for more content to come up in the near future. So make sure you share all these videos with your friends so they can also get benefit out of that. Here we have the pound dollar, and it is interesting that what we have highlighted yesterday, you can see it's exactly happening. So that is not by chance, that is not by luck, that's just by knowledge and understanding how the price moves in the market. So we are here to show you how this is happening and make sure you understand the price action. That is the main goal. Because when you know the nature of price action and you understand why each move is happening, because in the market each move is there for a reason. Now in front of you is a 1 hour chart, and in this 1 hour chart every single move I can show you it's happening for a reason, for a purpose, for a target area, for a point of interest to reach before delivering to the next level. So that's all about the price action. So each move is happening for a reason, and this is what you need to understand. This is the first step. If you want to be a perfect trader, profitable trader in the long run, nothing is happening in the short term. First of all, you have to understand the price action. This is our first goal in this channel. Once you know about the price action, by analyzing, by watching our daily analysis, weekly forecast, and all the educational videos we are posting in our channel, you will learn about price action, daily price action. And then after that, you need to have a strategy, which we will come to that, and even we are going to teach you our strategy by details, but step by step. For now, let's go back to our daily review for pound dollar. So, for those who watch our yesterday's daily review, they know what I'm referring to. But if you didn't watch our yesterday's Monday, 5th of September daily analysis for pound dollar, please go and watch it first so you will better understand what I'm referring to. Price was here yesterday when I was talking, and I was referring to this. Here there was H1 imbalance, and I was telling price can go go inside by London session. Same thing happened, but did it give us any sell setup? No. I said if you are getting sell setup, go for it. But if you are not getting sell setup, what I emphasized was the level above this high, the liquidity above this high, and coincidence with the daily fair value gap. So the price delivered to this daily fair value gap, sweeping stop losses, liquidity pool above this high, which we call this kind of price action as a liquidity run. Okay, it went up for a reason, to reach to this daily fair value gap and to take a stop losses above this high. And also, please pay attention here. Also, this move was kind of manipulation for the weekly chart. Okay, for the week. For this week, this was the manipulation push to the upside. What happened after that? Okay, I want to explain to you this area, but by going to a lower time frame, 15-minute chart. Here, you can see how perfectly, as usual, daily fair value gap is acting as a resistance. Price is going above, and this move has happened in the pre-market to the London session. And we call this manipulation for the daily move. You see how it went up? It took the stop losses above this high, which was created in Asian session for a reason. So this high was created in Asian session. Then it moved to the downside. Before opening the London, it's pushed to the upside, takes the liquidity of this high in the Asian session, and then after that, see what happened. There is a magical candle formation for reversal. These two candles, this bullish candle engulfing the previous bearish candle. When such candle formation is happening in this kind of point of interest, listen carefully. When such candle formation is happening in this kind of point of interest, meaning fair value gap, imbalance, order block, liquidity pool, in these areas, when you see such formation, you know something is cooking. You know market is reversing and this manipulation is completed. See what happened the next candle. Price push to the downside. It created this candle's low, this candle high. This the 15-minute fair value gap. It pushed down below this short-term low. What does it mean? It means market structure got shifted in 15-minute chart. In each time frame, you can have market structure shift by breaking the previous short-term low or in the opposite side short-term high. Is it clear? So, when the price pushed to the upside as the second layer of manipulation, did it break above this high? No, it didn't. It never broke that high because market structure was shifted before this. And those who sold here and kept a stop loss above this high, their stop loss never got hit. Why? There is a clear reason, because before that we already retested this daily fair value gap, and from there we got 15 minutes displacement with fair value gap to the downside, breaking the market structure, and that's why this price never went above this high. So a stop loss above this high was the perfect stop loss and the most protected stop loss. How someone can keep a stop loss there? just by knowing the price action, by understanding why price is moving. That's what I'm emphasizing to you. You want to learn how to trade? Stay tuned with our channel. We are giving you all the knowledge, we are giving you all the hints to understand why price is moving. Please try to understand. You have to learn this first as a first step. Okay? I'm caring about all our viewers, all those who are subscribing to our channel, and I want everyone to learn how to trade correctly, perfectly. There is no charge, there is no money. This channel is free of cost. You just need to watch our videos daily, on a daily basis, and apply it to your chart. Practice with what I'm saying. Go to your chart and see and try to draw all these lines. You know, we don't deal with any indicator and this kind of stuff. We are just sticking to some horizontal lines based on the fair value gap and imbalance, just to highlight them. Even by experience, you don't need to draw these lines. So I'm just drawing these lines for you to understand. Otherwise, if someone has experience in the smart money trading, even they don't need to draw these lines. Because by eyes, they can see where each liquidity is located, where the fair value gap is residing, how it is getting reacted, and how you can enter to the trade, how you can keep your stop losses. So for now, try to understand why the price is moving. Okay, let me continue. Here, after this up move, which was the second layer of manipulation, what I mean by second layer, I mean this manipulation happened above this high, and then again another manipulation, but it never went above this high. This manipulation was happened just to take the stop loss of the people here. So poor stop loss placement. So anyone putting a stop loss here, it was a poor stop loss placement. So that's why a stop loss was taken, because you kept it here. The stop loss should be above this high, because this candle has the has the highest reach. This candle has the highest reach. So this is referred to as the order block of this push to the downside. For those who know about order block, this push to the downside with this fair value gap and breaking this high is a perfect order block. We are going back into this order block, not breaking above, and then coming back to the downside and creating another fair value gap in 15 minutes. And look at this. This is happening as a resistance pullback to daily fair value gap. Where is daily fair value gap? The horizontal blue line. How the price is pushing down? Going back, resistance as acting as a resistance, daily fair value gap. And what's happening after that? Price is pushing to the downside, breaking the sell side liquidity. So, before London session, push to the upside, taking the buy side liquidity, making the order block displacement, creating a fair value gap, never went above this high because manipulation is already done, completed. Push to the downside, another fair value gap as second confirmation for those who missed the entry This was the perfect entry, even it was better entry. Pushing to the downside, creating this fair value gap in 15-minute chart, pull back into fair value gap, and daily fair value gap acting as resistance, pushing back to the downside to this low to take the sell side liquidity, and then where we want the price to go. What we have highlighted since 2 weeks ago. Please go and watch all our videos last week. Every video of pound dollar, we are emphasizing on weekly level, monthly level of 1.14100. This low, the orange line. This orange line has to be hit as a target. So this is what we want, and we are up to that. Let me go to the 1-hour chart. So this is the H1 chart. What's happening after the price pushing to the downside? Market is running, don't forget. At the time of recording this session, market is moving, and we are almost near to US afternoon session. Actually, launch time is already over. So that's when market has started to move. This pullback to this H1 FVG, this candle's low, the pink line, this candle's low, this candle's high, H1 FVG, price moved inside. Don't forget all this price action we just explained in the lower time frame. And now price is coming down. Where is the next step? The next step, as the sell side liquidity is below this low at around 1.14500 level, which is the institutional price level. So 1.14500 is our next goal. So price is trying to go down to hit this low, and then either by today or by tomorrow we should reach to this weekly target. It's a big level, so breaking this level, it could be amazing, especially the reaction to it. We want to see the reaction to this weekly target. Is it going to break and go down deeply, or is going to react and show some kind of reversal? Okay, that's it for today. I hope this has been informative for you and helpful for your trading, and I would like to thank you for watching. Talk to you tomorrow. Good luck with your trading, and don't forget, subscribe, share and like our videos for better stuff to come. Thank you.